Nobby's nuts. 46. Right, we're off out.
Out.
We've got the big hot tent and a luxury inner tent for it as well, you'll see. I want to thank Bosch for telling me about this place. I was supposed to come meet up with him the other day, but didn't manage to get out. So we're going to go check it out ourselves now. So this is quite interesting. They've dug this to divert it away from the main mine. Just take the water away.
Nice wash.
Uh-huh.
Nice wash in the morning.
Yeah. I'll be fresh. Keep us going.
Yeah. Expertly felled, even if I do say so myself. Beautifully controlled.
Camp is down there. Just about losing our light. We're just on the hunt for some twiggy bits of wood now. Proud of a little pile there. That's plenty to get it going, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think we're going to have a problem tonight. Got an ingenious solution. Keep us warm when the fire goes out. This is an inner tent from a 1990s tent. Field and Trek.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Ah,
So that's the way.
Let's get the damp stuff off the outside so it burns a bit better as well. Quite clunky, this wood.
Okay, determined for this to start easier than last time. Start with a bed of wood, twiglets. Nobby's nuts. The fire's just about going. Been a bit of a struggle to light. We just looked at this chimney and that is all water coming out of it. No wonder it's struggling. But we're drying the wood out. Always stay optimistic.
Nice stew tonight. Got a bit of swede, some mushrooms, some carrots, some leeks, potatoes, and some diced beef. And Adam's packed this, and I've just said to him, like, you know, that's like physically impossible for me to get the beef in there.
I don't think it's all going to go, is it?
I don't think it is, no. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking we should bought the space dome.
Yeah.
Just set that up inside. That would be
It would
pretty
have fit
sweet.
easy, wouldn't it?
Yeah, there's loads of room in that. It's basically because I'm a bit of a wuss. I don't like creepy crawlies. I like to feel sort of enclosed.
Yeah. But it should be a lot warmer in here now. And once the fire goes out, then you've got this massive space. Feel it then.
Sweet, smells like old feet. Is it going alright now?
Yeah, fire's good, really good.
Chimney stopped bleeding black stuff.
Look at the state on this chimney.
I don't want to get my fingers into
potatoes.
it.
Yeah, it's not the right knife for cutting them, is it?
No, it's good for battening wood though.
Yeah.
Not as good as the other knife though. That is good.
Yeah.
Shout out Blackboard knives.
Yeah, our Blackmore knife's amazing.
Yeah. Who's this one by?
Castrum.
Castrum.
Oh, it's pretty warm actually.
It is, isn't it? I'm going to take this hat off.
Check Daniels. It's the only little bottle of whiskey they do in a plastic bottle. I'll turn it down. It's hot, huh? Temp check. It's around about 46.
You've got a little scratch on your hand as well. You've been attacked by a little baby dragon.
That's when we come out about April time, I do.
Yeah, it's about 8.
Or April.
Oh, about April.
That's when the baby dragons come out.
I've seen them. Didn't we see one at Fourth Wen? There's sunbathing on the rocks, wasn't it?
I saw you on with that bird that just like dries itself out the cat, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's
That looks like a
cormorant.
dragon, man.
Yeah. It's not a kitchen knife, is it? To be honest.
It's got a certain use, and that's not it. Oh god, you don't want to blunt in it, that's the
I
thing.
know, it sounds horrible. I need like a nice little wooden chopping board,
Yeah.
that's the thing.
Should do it, yeah.
Yeah.
What do with your feet for that?
But then the carrot's just gonna...
Put something underneath it, don't you? Maybe.
Bushcraft.
Yeah,
Magic!
she's doing it.
Ah! It's working like a charm. Just get rid of that.
It's looking good.
It's smelling good.
Haven't been on for long, is it?
Yeah. What,
Looking too good.
20 minutes so far?
I'm debating whether to put some tomato soup in there.
We forgot
Extra
any
flavour.
seasoning, so we've got no salt, no pepper, no herbs, no stock, no nothing.
The water's going quite brown, to be fair, so should be some flavour to it.
Yeah, it's nature intended.
There it is. I don't know what's happened to all the leaks, mind, because there's nearly a whole leak in there. Right, there's a woolly mammoth in the fire. There's his back legs, there's his front leg, there's his trunk. Here's Cat in a bivvy bag. I'm blinding her right now.
Really bright.
We're going to put it up in a proper tent in a minute. My speaker's given up. It just won't turn on. Oh, see?
torch has decided to come on its own. It won't connect the phone anymore. I don't know what it's doing.
Oh, the tent? Yeah, it's good actually. I love the space in there. Yeah.
A little inner option.
It was snug. It was like a little two-man bivvy.
Snug's being kind though.
Yeah, I didn't sleep well. Great.
Well, it was that low you couldn't see your feet. So it's like, I'd shout out for members. Thanks for watching. Oh, I tell you what. There's a mine down there, let's go and check that out first.
Oh yeah,
Let's have a little explore now.
There you go, that's where we were. Hard to tell.
I was really expecting it to get that far back.
Yeah. And then we can get very fast, pretty wet.
You can get around the corner.
Looks like, yeah. You know.
It reminds me a bit of that. But flooded. Just like how square it is.
Yeah, it's man-made, I think, isn't it?
Oh, definitely.